How to edit your personal Pinterest profile. So when you open up Pinterest, you are going to have your home screen here. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see where it has your profile image. You will click on that. This is going to bring you to your personal Pinterest profile. From there, in the upper left hand corner, you're going to click on your profile image again, and this is going to bring you to your account settings. So you can see in the top where it says your name and view profile, we're going to click on that. This is going to be how others see us and what we have created from our pins. So we are then going to click on Edit Profile in the middle of the screen. From there, we can now edit our profile. So we can change our name, our username, our about story, any pronouns, and we can hide our pins from here.